Another simple and easy meal that you can try in 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how to make root vegetable nests. For this recipe I'm using 3 to 4 potatoes, few radishes, carrot and some sweet potato with some parsley, enough flour to mix the vegetables, salt, pepper to your taste, and half a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder with enough eggs to your family members. So let's start doing it. First chop the onion, then the parsley. Now add it into a bowl. Radish, then the carrot, sweet potato, and lastly the potatoes. After, mix everything together, adding the salt, pepper and the stock powder. If you like any other flavors in it, please feel free to add anything. I'm going to add a bit of garlic powder. And it's ready. At this point, put a pan on the stove to be hot. Add some oil into a pan, just a little bit. Now get the vegetables you have and make a nest out from it. And make sure to control the heat always, because controlling the heat gives a huge difference to a meal. Make sure to use 2 spoons or use your fingers and press to make a nice nest. And using your fingers you can press it like this. Now into the middle break 1 egg. If you like, you can add a bit of salt and pepper on top. Now the next one. This is a very good way of giving kids the vegetables hidden, and they will love this. And press. It secures the egg inside. Cook this on a very low heat, covered, about 5 minutes. Now using a spatula, slowly put them upside down. After, put them upside down back again. You don't need to cook this side a lot, but only the bottom side of the nest. Cook a bit longer and serve directly from the pan. The advantage is you can always keep it in the fridge for the next day, or you can prepare the vegetables ahead and give the kids a nutritious meal. This is a nice lunchbox recipe, and you can freeze them too to throw whenever you want. So let's cut it and see. It's so soft, but make sure that you control the temperature when you cook this. Leave a comment once you do this. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.